na konti. Yan, para hindi sumabuluhan. Yan. Hindi naman. Initin mo rin ba yan?
Hi friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today is day 3 of our Osaka, Japan trip. We'll be going around Dotonbori in the morning and later in the afternoon, we'll go to the Universal Studios Japan or USJ. But first, we need to have coffee and a light breakfast. We usually buy our breakfast at the 7-Eleven just beside our hotel. Then my parents-in-law introduced me to this coffee at the hotel lobby. It was really good, and I'm looking forward to another breakfast coffee here. My husband and son are still sleeping, by the way, and they have requested for a McDonald's breakfast. Since my parents-in-law also wanted to walk around Dotonbori and look at stuff at Don Quijote, that will be our itinerary this morning. When we got out of our hotel, we saw this parade. I didn't know at this time what this was, so I searched it on Google and learned that on January 10, 2025, Osaka hosts the main day of the Toka Ibisu Festival, also known as the Hon Ibisu. This is a festival celebrating Ibisu, the god of commerce and fishing, and praying for prosperity. It features a lively parade like this.
This is our hotel. Here's the 1-5 hotel. Located siya sa gitna. Malapit lang sa Dotonbori. Super lapit lang. Ito siya. Yan, ang aming hotel. Yan, so that's the hotel. And kanan lang paglabas. Off we go to McDo.
It is really interesting to walk around. For me, this is the type of moving around that I love, as much as my legs can carry me. Like they say, travel and visit places while I want to say young, which I'm not, so I will say while you still can.
So, may Holiday Inn din pala dito, Osaka Namba. So, Holiday Inn. Ito sa Japan eh. May makalat din doon. Ay, ito yung Lawson. May malapit na Lawson. Ay, ito pala. Oo, dito banda. Kakanan ka lang pala. Diretso na. Lawson. Ito yung Don Quijote. Pwede rin bumili dyan. May Don Quijote na dito malapit, oh. Ang saya. Malapit.
Don Quijote is just about 2 minutes away by foot from our hotel. I realized that there may be warm clothing available for our son. This is to supplement what we brought here in Japan. The weather is really cold and he is not enjoying it when we are out.
Dapat may 5,500 yen para makapag-tax free ka. Okay. 5,500 dapat.
O yan pa.
Wow. Floor na lang. Dito na lang tayo pumunta.
Nandyan yan siguro.
Oo. Okay. Hanap natin, hinan natin. Fifth floor. Ay, naku. Pataas pala pa. Kaya mo pa? Fifth floor?
It seems like we can only access the higher floors by stairs, but turns out that there's an elevator at the corner of each floor. So we are using that so my parents-in-law will not have a hard time moving from floor to floor.
Buti may elevator. May mga ramen.
I will haul what I was able to buy at Don Quijote when we're back at the hotel. Happy that Don Quijote has some warm clothing for our son.
So, ang cute nito. Don Quijote na siya, chinelas eh. Kung fan ka ni Don Quijote, chinelas.
My father-in-law wanted to try out this ATM for money exchange. We will be exchanging a $20 bill to Japanese yen. It was actually quite easy, but we got stuck at the end of the process, so we asked for the help of a Don Quijote staff. What I like here in Japan is that they are always really helpful. They helped us with all smiles.
Okay. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu.
Next up is we're going to McDonald's. On our way there, we already had a glimpse of the Running Man. Fun fact, the Glico Running Man was erected in the year 1935. It already has undergone several versions. The one currently installed is the 6th version, which was installed in October 2014. It is a symbol of the Glico Candy Company, the one that produces Pocky and Pretz.
Ay, balikan din natin yung maleta. M-Coins sa kaya. McDonald's. McDonald's. Sandwich. Yan.
Done ordering. I used my GCash card to pay here. I also got my son a Happy Meal.
Okay, got our son's breakfast.
Now let's walk back to the hotel.
Let's go. Mga luggage. Ito, meron ka pang ganitong bag. Cute, oh. Cute ng bag. Sinulong ako na nga lang kagabi, ma, eh. Like ko. Dito tayo, ma. Ito, karaoke. Family Mart.
While strolling, we found the other pair of my mother-in-law's gloves. It is funny, we always actually lose one of our gloves, then later on, always find it. So we never actually lost any of our gloves.
Nahanap. Ayan, nandyan lang pala. Wala namang dumampot. Ayan, kotik-pagpag na lang.
We also passed by Lawson to check out the meals available, and we were able to buy some that we wanted to try. Let's haul some of the things that I was able to get at Don Quijote. It's time to go to Universal Studios. We booked an Uber going to USJ. This costed us 8,106 Japanese yen, which was okay since there's 5 of us.
No?
When riding an Uber or taxi, this will bring you to this side of Universal Studios.
Yay! Finally, Universal!
I missed that part where we walked along that big USJ arc and where there were lots of restaurants around and even a takoyaki museum. I think that side is on the way to the train station. Fun fact, the Universal Studio in Osaka is the very first Universal Studio theme park in Asia, and it opened in year 2001. By the way, we purchased our USJ tickets through Klook. It costed us 3,277 pesos for us adults and 2,134 pesos for our son. This is after all the discounts applied. Make sure that you are decided on what day you want to go there, since this can be cancelled and refunded. Keep the QR code saved on your phone. This will be scanned at the entrance of USJ.
Elmo! Elmo! Hello, Elmo! Cute! Super nice. Ito si Cookie Monster, may hawak na cookie. The cookie. Ang cute. Sino to lang?
Yung kalaban ni Mario.
Ano pangalan?
King Koopa.
Ah, King Koopa. Cute. Ay, ang cute. Mario Brothers na hat. Tapos Mario Brothers na damit. And Mario Brothers na stuffed toy. 1.6. Wow, cute to. Hindi ko alam eh. Ano kayong ginagawa nito? Ah, light up wand. Iilaw siya pag pinindot mo. Ito, bubble wand. Mga cereal. Cereal. Ito yung mga sample ng itsura niyo, mga. Yan, isiilaw siya. Ayan, iilaw. Pag pinindot, iba-iba yung ilaw niya. Ang cute. Ito, ang cute. Parang siyang lampshade. Kaso wala na siyang, ayan, lampshade, oh. Yan, umiilaw-ilaw siya, ma. Wala, isang ilaw ko. Ang ganda. Umiilaw to, love. Umiilaw to. Ganda, oh. Umiilaw, oh.
Papa! Papa! Please, Papa!
Ha? Ay, pila tayo. Hi. Ohio, Chippy! Happy!
When you're in USJ, it is advisable to download their app, the USJ app, so you get to have a map of the whole theme park. You can also book a slot at the Nintendo World if you wish to visit that part of USJ. We skipped the Nintendo World since we're more interested to go to the Harry Potter area, which by the way doesn't need any booking. But of course, our first stop will be the rides for our son.
Parang may Odaiba din dito. You know, no? Yung bridge. Parang may Odaiba din dito. Ah, exciting! Hindi, wala pa tayo dun siguro. Ayun, nandun na yung rides. Ayan na! Ayan na, rides! Oo. Ito refreshment zone, no? Ang daming mga vendo. Yeah, love. Ang daming vendo. Oh, pili ka lang. Vendo station. Ah, refresh zone pa lang. Illumination Theater Store. Wow! Yippee! Whoa! Whoa! Ayan, medyo umaraw ng konti. Sarap ng araw.
Paano kayang start?
Pwede punta dun, ma.
May isa pang roller coaster doon. Nakakatakot.
Lang. ito yun. Yan. Hollywood Dream. 40 minutes wait.
Agad?
40 minutes wait. Yan. Chippy-doo! Yippee! Ah,
Anong pahanapin, Arhan?
yung... Sama na natin dito. Sama natin ang popcorn. Wow! Hop! Elmo pala to. Tapos may Hello Kitty. Puppy. Si Lucy. Yeah, first time with my kid. Yeah. With them? Okay, thank you.
Ay, excited.
Excited!
空の旅へ、レッツゴー
の席の真ん中にある黒いレバーを手前に引くとスムージーは空高く上昇し前に立つ
Sasakay ka ata ngayon, no? Konti na lang. Ikaw na next batch. Baby! Yay! I'll go outside. Sorry. Go outside. Thank you. Bibidyoan ko sila, May. Okay lang, okay lang. Hindi na, bibidyoan ko lang sila. Pwede nakita mo ako, Ma.
Video ka ako.
Sige, Ma, sige, Ma. Let's go! Woo! Yay! Chipoy! Ano? Yay! Woo! Palit ang table. And wow! Kompleto na. Yan, wow! Nice.
Ngayon the bag conversion.
Thank you.
Maganda ba?
That's the shrimp. Okay, thank you. Yan, wow! May biscuits si Chippy, oh. May biscuits siya kasi mama. Nag-biscuits din.
Kiddie meal kami. Prepare!
Natulog? At wow! Ganda! Meron siyang burger. Burger.
And there's nuggets.
Nuggets. And fries. Sarap? Masarap ba? Okay din.
As expected in the Japanese way of food packaging, all is neatly made and so cute. The burger bun is shaped to Snoopy's face and the burger packaging with Snoopy's face on it. Really cute.
Ito shrimp to, Ma, eh. Is that shrimp? Shrimp.
Kalaban mo talaga dito ang hilamig. Siguro pag nag-winter sa Pilipinas.
Ganda rin dito, oh. Carousel. Mga ribbon daw yan ni Hello Kitty, eh. Ayan, ang cute daw ang Sesame Street cars, oh. Kabila.
Dito?
Cupcake shop, oh. Galing. Ito pala yung Snoopy Backlot Cafe. Cute. Ayan, oh. Lucy. Love for Forbidden Forest. No entry. Kotse ni Ron. Oh. Yan o, kotse ni Ron. Ito na yung Hogwarts, oh.
We are really looking forward to try the butterbeer. Let's get one. The first time I was able to try butterbeer is at the Witcher's Brew in the Philippines, but sadly it already closed near our location. The one we tried at Witcher's Brew really tasted like melted bitter butterballs. A glass of butterbeer, by the way, costs 800 Japanese yen.
Beer for you. Ayan na. Ipadikit mo dito. Sarap.
Wala lang, tamis.
Tamis. Sarap. Non-alcoholic naman pa? Matamis pa, no?
Lasang ano, Robitussin.
Whoa! Ano meron dyan? Ah! Ganda.
The vibe in Hogsmeade is in tune to the winter season, so we'd love to go from store to look at stuff, but our son is already cold and it's as well time for his afternoon snacks. We definitely will be back at USJ to explore the Harry Potter theme park. I'm as well inspired to read all the Harry Potter books. I was only able to read the first 2 books. It will be a better experience if I understand the wizarding world better.
Going home. Uwi na. Pagod na ang aming little boy. Ang dahilan kung bakit kami nandito sa Universal. Rest na muna. Ganda ng ilaw, oh. Ayan, 4D na Sesame Street. Oo. Bili muna tayo ma, tapos baka ano, baka si Bruno gising na. Hello. Ay, ano siya ma?
Ay, puro ano.
Nintendo. Pero mga biscuits lang siya ma?
Ah, biscuit?
Ah.
Papasin.
Ano siya? Biscuits. Ang laki pala. Let's see. Wala din how much is that? Yummy! Bye-bye, Universal! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! See you soon!
It's now time to go home. We really enjoyed our short visit at USJ. We booked an Uber to go back to our hotel. It's really cold. I cannot say this enough. So bring appropriate winter jackets that will suit the winter temperature.
Mga storage, mga lockers, ang lawak na lockers ng Universal. Ang lamig. Heater ba yan? Hindi ah. Heater ba yan? Hindi ah, mukha lang heater. Wala. Kakainis. Heater daw. May vendo pa sa labas. Super lamig.
We decided to have dinner at the hotel, so my husband ordered through Uber Eats. Yoshinoya is really good here in Japan. We ordered 2 gyudon meals and 1 chicken karage for our son. Total cost of our Yoshinoya meal is, I think, around 600 pesos for 3 persons, so it's a good deal. Really nice. Ending the vlog here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!